Good morning, guys. Hope everybody had an excellent weekend. It is Monday, so we are going to get started with our new phonics lesson for the week that is going to help you with your new spelling words this week. So, this is phonics week 3. Okay, so as usual, like we've done the first 2 weeks of online instruction, I want you guys to take a look at this list of words right here. And I want you to think about, what do you notice about all of them? What do the words have in common? What is the same about all the words? It's a little trickier this week to answer that question because it is not a spelling pattern that these words have in common. But think about it. See if you can figure it out. Okay, so some of you might have noticed that all of these words on the list have 2 words within them. Okay, so for instance, we have the word pancake. If you separate this word, you see that pan can stand by itself and be its own word. We know what a pan is. We bake things in a pan. Okay, and then the other word that we have within pancake is cake. Okay, like we bake a cake for our birthday. So within the word pancake, we see the word pan and we see the word cake. Same thing with the second word. We see that the word is headache. Okay, so within the word headache, there are 2 separate words that can stand on their own. The first one is head, and the second one is ache, like a pain. Okay, so what are those types of words called? Does anybody know what the words are called when we have 2 separate words within them that make a new meaning? These types of words are called compound words. Everybody say compound words. One more time, compound words. And what are compound words? We kind of already said it, but compound words are formed when 2 words are put together to form a new word with a new meaning. Okay? So not only is it 2 words that are put together to form a new word, but it also has to form a new meaning in order to be a compound word. Okay? For example, snow plus man equals snowman. Kind of like a little math equation, okay? So snow and man are both separate words, right? We know what snow is, okay? When we go outside and it's really cold and it's raining, it turns into snow, right? Okay? And we know what a man is. A man is a grown-up boy, right? So what is a snowman? It's a man that is made out of snow. So you see it has 2 words within it, snow and man, and it has a new meaning when we put those words together. Okay, so that's a compound word. All right, so let's read the list of words that I have put together in this PowerPoint that are compound words. Let's read them together, okay? Pancake, headache, superstar, ladybug, fireman, notebook, moonlight, snowman. Okay? Can you think of more examples of compound words? Remember, a compound word has 2 words within it that can usually stand on their own, and when you put those 2 words together, it forms a new meaning. So can you think of an example of another compound word that was not on the list that we read today? If you can think of another compound word, as usual, I want you to click reply and type it in the chat section below. Okay? And after you guys do that, I want you to go ahead and look at your Monday spelling list that is attached to this lesson. And you'll see group 1 and group 2 as usual. All of your words this week are going to be compound words. All right? Today, the activity is a little different from Monday because you can't really sort compound words by anything because they're all compound words on the list. So what I want you to do with your words today is I want you to separate each compound word into the two words that make it up. Okay, so for instance, if the word were snowman like we did, then I would want you to take it apart and write snow and man separately to try to help you discover the meaning for each word. Sometimes it might help to draw pictures too. Like if for snowman, if I drew a picture of snow and then I drew a picture of a man, it might help me understand the meaning. So if you're struggling with one of them, feel free to draw pictures to help you as well. Okay? So that is all for our phonics lesson today, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.